SPY was trending very, very well today in the morning, but now it suddenly cracked. Reason why is, let me explain. So first, let's make a trend line right over here. We had a beautiful trend line play right over here. So as long as it was above the trend line, we were able to cash in beautifully, absolutely beautifully. Look, you bought in over here. And although we had a double top over here, I made a YouTube short on this. You can go check it out, my latest YouTube short. I explained this, and I'll explain it again now. We made a double top over here, but we're above the trend line. Therefore, we were still in calls. Now let's get rid of the double top. Let's go now. I made a center line right over here. Why? Because now we turned into a different double top. We have one loop and then two loop, and now we cracked support. Now, the market is still trading on the political news because everybody's hoping for the war to finish. So I doubt this is going to go down even more. It's probably going to go retest its resistance level, become again a support level, and go make a new high for today. I mean, now it's 2:11 p.m. while I'm recording this. There's another 2 hours to trading. So I cannot promise results or anything. I'm not a financial advisor. Please make your own research, but this is my own prediction. Now let's go further. I saw an NVDA, I saw absolutely beautiful. I already made the drawings for you guys here. I played in this trade. It's stunning. This is called a head and shoulder, okay? Here's the left shoulder, here's the head, and here's the right shoulder. Now, what happens is with a head and shoulder is this is a kind of pattern that indicates that either it will go up or down. This is a head and shoulder indicating for bearish. Whenever you see the head above the shoulders, that means it's bearish. Whenever you see the opposite below, that means it's bullish. Here on this candle, this page over here, this chart today, it is completely bearish. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, and then we cracked the support, turned into resistance. We came all the way down to the next floor, and the reason why I made it to this floor, let's go over here on this side right over here. You see right over here, this candle right over here, let's make a drawing for you guys and you should be able to see it. This candle right over here, beautiful. See, but in the white bubble, this is our support. That candle was our support, and that was holding it until now. And now let's zoom out. Sorry, guys. Let's do this. And then we cracked over here. But like I said, because I think there's another 2 hours of trading, because I believe that the market is still trading down political news and new political news is going to come out in the next few minutes, we will not break again below this line, and we'll probably be testing new highs, and then the head and shoulder will be over. Second case scenario is, no, the market will stay bearish for the end of the day, and we'll be testing new lows. Let's go to the next thing. I saw in TSLA as well. What a crazy day. Let's go to TSLA. We saw, so right over here, exactly. We had in the beginning, we had our trend line. I'll show you exactly what I drew over here. But for now, let's make over here. Beginning, we had a beautiful trend line. We're able to buy calls going all the way up, just like that. Now let's get rid of this. I know there's a lot of things in this chart, but too bad. We're here to learn. You have to learn what I'm doing here. So I made the floor over here. Why? Because see this candle as well. This is holding support level. This candle right over here in the white box. Now we can get rid of this because everybody knows what it is already. And we were just chopping up and down, up and down, up and down between the $1 and $2, up and down, like from between 380 to 383. So like we're just chopping, and then we cracked. What happened is very simple. We have not a double top over here on the 1 minute chart, but let's look at the 5 minute chart. We have right over here, beautiful. So we technically have, we could say this as well as a head and shoulder, but it's not really a head and shoulder because this should be the left shoulder right over here. This should be the right shoulder. This should be the head, but it's not 100% formed. But on the 5 minute chart, it makes the most sense because I still have the trend line. Since we went below the trend line, now we're going into puts, okay? Perfect, just like that. So those are your key levels. So we did Tesla, NVDA, SPY. Let's go next to the VIX. My previous video, I said in the VIX that we will either be going to below 25 or we'll be going testing again 30. Depends how the market reacts to it. Now the market reacted to it. We tested 23 and now we're climbing back up to 24 because the market is turning into a bearish market again. So just be aware on the VIX and watch out what you guys are doing. Let's move forward. I think we covered everything for today, did we? So let's go to markets. One more thing. Let's go to crude oil. Let's look at this. Right over here, this guy. So crude oil is rising. As long as this is going up, and this is now trading at 99.72. But if it closes above 100, you guys should really watch out because it means since the Hormuz is still closed in Iran and they're not opening it up, this will still be up. Now, as long as oil is still up, stocks will be declining. Now, when to know when, let's say we'll have a nice retest in SPY, knowing that it's going to be here. Look, I didn't show you guys the 5 minute chart, but here, look, we had also our trend line over here. We had double, and then we came all the way down. Just like that, because we broke our trend line right over here. So now we're into puts. Beautiful. I mean, I'm not because I already made my money. You make your small money. Don't trigger for big gains. If you trigger for big gains, you're going to lose all your investments. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you guys now. You really have to watch out. So back to what I'm saying with oil. As long as oil is above 100, we'll be seeing SPY just to keep on declining. We need to have 4 straight days for SPY. Let's go on a 2 hour chart to explain this. We need 4. Actually, let's go on the daily chart. We need 4 trading days. So we're day trade number 2. We're still green, but if we turn red, then it's a flop. We need 4 straight trading days in order to see that the pattern change. That's number 1. Number 2, what we need to have is as well as we need SPY to go above 661 today. It's at 655 now, right? Right away, 655. If it doesn't go above 661 today, then things might have a problem. I might have a different shift. But I might be wrong because Trump is going to be giving a national speech at 9 p.m. today, tonight, and then tomorrow morning he's giving another speech, speaking to the nation and the whole entire world. So just be prepared to whatever's going to happen over there. So I still believe this will still go above. If it goes above the line over here, then we'll be testing new highs. If it doesn't, then we're going to be going all the way down. Let's make you guys a trend line right over here. I mean, a line across. We'll be testing this candle right over here. This one, because this is our support. This candle right over here, this red candle, this is our support. And then the next one would be right over here, 653. Let's make another trend line right over here. And then if we go below this, then we'll be seeing a new low. So just watch out what you guys are doing. Hope you guys are trading well. Enjoy.